You have roughly 70 trillion cells in your body, and those cells have to specialize. Muscle cells do muscle work, nerve cells handle nerves. Cells don't function well in isolation. The next level of organization above cells is tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells that perform a common or related function. There are four major tissue types: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. Histology is the study of tissues. Epithelial tissue usually exists as a sheet. That sheet can be thin or thick, flat or rolled into a tube, or wrapped around a hollow space. Epithelial tissue lines a lumen. A lumen is the open space inside a hollow structure, most often a tube. The digestive tract is one long tube. The circulatory system is a network of tubes. If you cut a garden hose and look through it, that open space is the lumen. There are two main types of epithelium: glandular epithelium, which forms glands and produces secretions like hormones or sweat, and covering and lining epithelium, which covers surfaces and lines organs. Epithelial tissue is found in every organ system. Your stomach, intestines, airways, blood vessels, and heart chambers all have epithelial linings. The largest surface we cover as humans is ourselves. The epidermis, the outer layer of skin, is epithelial tissue. The functions of epithelial tissue include protection, absorption, filtration, sensory reception, excretion, and secretion. All epithelial tissues share these features. Polarity, specialized cell contacts, are supported by connective tissue. Avascular, innervated, and have a high mitotic rate. Epithelial tissue never has its own blood supply. It relies on underlying connective tissue. Polarity means the tissue has two distinct surfaces: an apical surface, which is the free exposed surface, and a basal surface, which is the attached surface. Some apical surfaces are smooth. Others have structures. Microvilli increase surface area and are found in the small intestine. Cilia are found in the respiratory tract and move mucus. The basal surface of epithelium is attached to connective tissue by the basement membrane. Epithelial cells are connected by junctions. Nutrients and oxygen diffuse from the highly vascular connective tissue beneath it. Most epithelial tissues have two names based on the number of layers: simple or stratified, and cell shape: squamous, cuboidal, or columnar. Columnar epithelia often have microvilli or cilia, and are commonly associated with mucus-producing goblet cells. Examples include simple squamous for diffusion in the lungs, simple cuboidal for secretion in the kidneys, simple columnar for absorption in the intestines, pseudo-stratified columnar in the respiratory tract, stratified squamous for protection in the epidermis, and transitional epithelium, which stretches in the urinary bladder.